Hello my dear students. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing with full focus for your exams. In today's video, I am going to share unit-wise important short and long questions for the subject G Excel Foundation, Bcom 5th semester, November-December 2025 exams. Now, on your screen, you will see each unit's important short and long questions displayed one by one. These questions are carefully selected based on the latest syllabus. Let me now share some useful exam tips and tricks that can help you score better marks. For short questions, write around half a page to one full page. Start with a proper definition, add a simple example if needed, and always draw a diagram or table if possible. For long questions, aim to write 3 to 4 sides of your answer booklet. Begin with a clear definition, follow it with a detailed explanation, include real-life examples, and support your answer with diagrams or tables for better impact. Now, here are some smart writing tips to follow in the exam hall. 1. First, read the question paper carefully and calmly. 2. Do not write anything on the question paper except your hall ticket number. 3. Begin your answers with the question you know best. This builds confidence and creates a good impression. 4. Always start each answer on a new page. 5. Write the question number clearly at the top left and center of the page. 6. Don't miswrite or change question numbers. 7. Use headings and subheadings and highlight them neatly. It makes your answer more readable. 8. Use the last page as rough work and label it clearly. 9. In the last 5 minutes, check all question numbers and quickly review your answers to fix any small mistakes. Dear students, I hope these questions and tips help you feel more confident and well prepared for the exams. For other subjects' important questions, syllabus, model papers, quick revision videos, and academic updates, please check the video description. All useful links are available there. If this channel has helped you in your studies or added value to your academic journey, please consider supporting it with a small donation. Your support will directly help me improve the quality of videos, tools, and study materials. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. All the best for your exam and your entire BSc journey. Keep working hard and stay positive. See you in the next video. Take care and happy studying.